Okay, are you good? So, let's see. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, you ready? All right, class.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Yes. Okay. Feel the excitement. So I know everyone in here is paying attention and following along because all those earbuds are off and away. Yes, just because you try and hide it by your hand, I can still see the earbud. Okay. Yes, it's big, black Beats earbud that it's really hard to miss from this far away at.
He's watching porn. Cool. What?
Why are you being weird? Anyway, all right, yeah, take it out. Thank you. All right, I just didn't know if you could hear me. So once he said something, they were like, "What the hell?" Anyway, all right. So, okay, now I am dead honest. I think it was like 8 years ago. I was walking around, okay, helping people with homework.
No.
But this is before everyone had their laptops. Okay. Full screen. Watching porn in math class. And so I don't know if you notice this, but I'm not very subtle about anything.
No.
No, I'm not.
So you called it out?
Yes.
No.
Oh no. Like turn it
Seriously,
off? Like,
no. I'm like, dude! Porn! What the heck here? Seriously, you're really watching it in math class.
Which scene?
It was in the middle of the classroom too, so it was even worse.
Hey.
So actually, I think it was. Wait, hold on.
You better hope he wasn't.
Actually, I think it was your seat right there.
No. Listen to too.
Oh no. Anyway, but no.
Wipe down that chair.
Weirdest things. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, but okay. So there is occasions where it has happened, and yeah, I'm like, dude, what the hell's wrong with you people? Anyway, let's get back to math instead of story time, right, Brandon?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna do effective annual yield, or the effective rate is a simple interest rate that produces the same amount of money in an account at the end of 1 year. This is where a lot of people are gonna mess up. All these ones are gonna be 1 year. 1 year. 1 year, my time is what?
1 year.
1 year. So when we're plugging in our formula, our t is 1. Okay? So when an account is subject to compound interest at its standing rate, what that means is you are going to start by doing compound interest. Then we're going to look at our simple interest formula to try and get the same thing. Right here. Starting at, let's go here. You deposit $4,000 in an account that pays 4% interest compounded monthly. All right. So let's write everything down. So my principal is $4,000. Pays 4% interest. So R is
0.04.
0.04. Interest compounded how often? So that's going to be N equals, there you go, 12. Okay, and what else do we have? T is 1. T is 1. So we're finding the future value. My future value formula is always the A. So we're going to look for the A equals my principal, which is $4,000. Open 1 plus my rate, 0.04 divided by 12. Close 12 times. How many years? How many years?
1 year.
1 year. That's important. This is where a lot of people mess this up. Right? I know we're taking notes. We're not trying to actually do homework right now, right? Don't you even.
I'm not.
Hey.
I'm doing this last question.
Oh my goodness. Come on, crackhead. You got this. Pay attention to me.
I am.
Pay attention to me. This is our time together.
Okay.
No!
I got it wrong anyway.
Good.
Okay.
You deserve it. All right. So let's go ahead and plug this in the calculator for me, please. Unless you're a crackhead and you close it instead of actually, pulling out your numworks.
That's my phone.
Okay, then take out your phone. You're still on that? Is that like your favorite subject or something?
No,
Man, we're on math now, so stop thinking about that. Is all you think about?
you don't think about
What the
that.
hell? No!
In class?
Dude!
What the fuck?
Hey! Come on, man! You're gonna get me demonetized again.
No, the speakers over. I mean, the mic is over.
I know! You can hear from here.
Really?
Yes!
You've been
Why do you think I got that extra mic?
It sounds very quiet today.
Oh,
Because Chris is not here today.
I know, right? So yes, just to annoy the class, this guy's gonna keep bringing up that subject.
You've been demonetized before?
Yes! I'm still demonetized. I've yet to be
How do
remonetized.
I put a fraction on my number?
Nope, I just go as is.
Type B.
Because that's kind of how you should go, right? Class is what it is.
What do you want?
Don't try and turn it into an Instagram filter.
Type B?
Exactly how it is.
But you could do some editing, like,
Yeah,
like putting out stuff around.
You never know what he's gonna say.
I know, right? So it's all the time. All the time. I don't edit.
I think you need like a live beeper.
I know, but seriously, like, okay, just math class, raw, unfiltered, and you gotta have anyway. So what do we get? 41,000 what?
64 or point
62.97.
Yeah, I got that.
I didn't get that.
I did not get that.
What is it exactly?
Me either.
It would be I got 4164.35.
Okay, see this right here where it says 12.1 should be 12 times 1. Right where I said you're gonna screw it up. You
Oh.
screwed up.
Are you screaming
I
at me?
put 12.1. You put 12.1.
Are you pressing me right now?
Okay, because you have times that's supposed to be an exponent.
Because I'll press the issue right now.
Okay, alright.
Can you just
Thing is,
write
because
the
where that's
multiplication?
positioned, it looks like a dot.
Yeah, dude.
I know, but that's why I read it as times, and I said, don't.
Dude!
Because we don't put X's. This is math, okay?
I put
This is
an
not
X.
your dating life. You never put your X up here.
What?
I read it.
Okay,
I read multiplication as a small one.
I knew it.
all right. So we get that number right there. So now what we're going to do, this is going to be my new A. For this problem, we're going to have our new A on the next page. So we have my A equals, now we're going to do the simple interest, which is P1 plus RT.
Is that? Oh, never mind.
This is the simple interest formula. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to do the math for you. So I'm going to turn this into a formula by doing all the math first. And then with that formula, you just plug in as you go. So mathematically, I'm going to divide by P because I'm trying to get R. Try to get R by itself. So A over P is equal to 1 plus RT minus 1 to both sides. A over P minus 1 is equal to RT. Divide both sides by T.
You're going really fast.
I know, because I'm not worried about you guys doing all this.
You should be worried.
I'm worried about more you writing down this formula, where R is equal to A divided by P minus 1 all over T. So this is what I wanted you guys to get to. I want you to get to that right there. So the algebra itself, I'm not worried about. Like I said, I'm doing the algebra for you, so all you have to do is plug in the numbers.
You're good, teacher.
Man, this guy always trying to suck up.
What?
See?
I'm not
See?
your hype man no more.
Oh man, seriously. See, if you want to be hype, man, seriously, like buy stuff on my merch store, like rep my stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, but no, you say you're hype, but no, you're not repping my hoodie.
Yeah, I'm just supporting it without actually supporting it.
All right, so given that much information, let's go through and so I'm gonna get R is equal to oh wow, that is why is that like that? So R equals, now my formula is A. What was my A value? 4, 1, 62.97.
Yes.
Okay, divided by 4,000 minus 1. All this here is divided by, my T is 1.
I'm gonna have a lot of fun putting this in.
And I'll give you a second, then I'll show you how to make sure you do it.
What? Why is someone dividing?
Now, let's take a look at here. So A over P was 4192, no wait, 62? 62, right?
Yeah.
0.97 divided by 4,000 minus 1. Now, here's a neat trick that this does for you. Since we're dividing all of this by something, if you just do the right parentheses, it puts everything over here in the parentheses. And now divided by 1.
Does it matter if you put that or not? The parentheses.
Yes.
Yes, it does change it if you don't.
It counts as a whole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, on this one right here, we're going to use a bunch of numbers. We're going to do a bunch of numbers because we're going to end up turning this into a percent. So R currently as a decimal is going to give me 0.0407. And you'll see why in a second that I'm actually using that many decimal points. If this currently is a decimal and I want a percent, I gotta move my decimal point which way?
Right.
To the right, how many places?
Why?
So you get 4.07%.
4.07.
So R 4.07%.
Answer?
Yes, that is. So what that means is, if I were to do this exact same problem, just given my simple interest, I would have to have an interest rate of 4.07%.
Is that high?
No, it's not. But compared it to what I started with, compound interest goes up faster. It occurs more money over the long run. So if we're comparing the compound interest to the simple interest, and if I want them to be the same, my interest rate for simple has to be higher than my interest rate for compound. So that's what we need to get from there. But step by step, you're going to use this formula down here after the second part. I think there's like 2 questions like this on the homework. So everyone's going to make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel. Buy stuff in the merch store.